Alright, this is like one of those like Dippin' Dots ice cream vending machines. I'm gonna buy some right now before we go and try it. Let's do it. Looks like there's 4 flavors: cookies and cream, cotton candy, brownie blast, rainbow ice. I don't know, they all look good. I think I'm gonna get, you know, I would be tempted to get like cotton candy or rainbow, but for some reason I kind of really want cookies and cream. So let's get that. Just got to use my credit card here. Won't be showing you that. Oh, I gotta use the please select product. Do A1 for cookies and cream. Okay, it's been approved. Look at that. That's cool. That thing's gonna go down. $5 for that little thing. It's gonna come down and that slot's gonna open. That goes back up. That is cool. I love these vending machines. There it is. All right.
It doesn't come with a stick, does it?
They might have one in there. I don't know.
Okay. Are you gonna eat it now or later?
Well, it's ice cream. We gotta eat it now. Let's open it up.
Let's get in the light.
Okay, we're gonna get in the light, guys. That's cool. Okay, go ahead and open it up.
Yep. Oh, there's the spoon. Right, and
Oh, there's the spoon. All right, you get first bite. Tell me what you think of it.
okay, I'll take a little chocolate.
How is it?
Just like ice cream. Oh, wait. I gotta get another one. I gotta make sure the first was as good. Here we go. Oh, yummy.
Awesome. I'll let you know what I think in a minute, guys. All right, now it's my turn. Never a lot of money for ice cream, but I think it's more the novelty of it. I'm not sure if I've ever had these Dots ice cream before.
They're good.
Yeah, that is cookies and cream. That's basically vanilla ice cream with Oreos.
Yeah.
Really cool. I've seen a few ice cream vending machines. Most of them are this form. I saw one in Colorado where actually made you like an ice cream sundae. Unfortunately, I did not use it at the time. Had other things in my mind. One day I want to go back and film that for you guys. Alright. Good. Cool experience. Expensive, but still cool.